In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download shared files in Google Drive on a computer, even if you only have viewing permission. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to expect, so you can save shared files to your device quickly and confidently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to drive.google.com. Google Drive works smoothly on modern browsers like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and Safari. When the page loads, sign in to your Google account. If you use multiple accounts, make sure you're signed in to the one that received the shared file so that it shows up in your drive. Once you're in, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Shared with Me. This is where Google Drive gathers files and folders that other people have shared with you. It can be a busy space, so you can switch between Grid View and List View, or use the search bar at the top if you remember the file name. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the exact file you want to download. Next, click the shared file to highlight it. A single click is enough here. With the file selected, right-click on it to open the context menu. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click usually does the same thing. From the menu that appears, choose Download. That's the key action. Drive may briefly prepare the file. Sometimes you'll see a quick scan or processing message, especially for larger files. This is normal. Your browser will then start the download. Depending on your browser settings, it may save automatically to your default Downloads folder, or it might ask you where to save the file. If you're unsure where it went, check the Downloads folder on your computer or your browser's Downloads panel. The file name you saw in Drive will match the name of the file that's saved. A couple of quick tips to keep in mind. If the download option is grayed out, the file owner may have disabled downloading for viewers. In that case, the setting is controlled by the owner. Also, a stable internet connection helps avoid interruptions, especially with large files. That's all there is to it. Open drive.google.com, sign in, go to Shared with Me, select the shared file, right-click, and choose Download. Your files will be saved to your computer and ready to use. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.